Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how to delay or schedule sending email letter in Office 365, also known as send letter option. So you can do this both in your Office 365 web, and also you can do it from your Office 365 Outlook desktop apps. So in the web, what you need to do, you need to type the sender address in here. You give them the message, and then you need to go to the options in here. In option, you will find a schedule send option in here. You can click on custom time. Let's say you want to send the mail tomorrow. So select the date and select the time. Let's say you want to send the email to 10 a.m. and click on send in here. So once you click send button, it will save to your draft. So after give a refresh, you will see in the draft option it will change as a scheduled. So tomorrow at 10, the mail will automatically send from this to the designated email address. So you can do this in OA or webmail in Office 365. In the desktop option, what you have to do, you have to click on mail, and then let's say you type the mail address, send the message. Then you need to go to the options and you will find delay delivery in here. So select on do not deliver before, then you select the date and select the time. So click on close and then click on send. So once you send, it will store in your outbox. So the mail will be in the outbox, and when the time comes, it will send. So the main difference between these two options is that when you use this option in Outlook desktop, then your Outlook must be open to send the email on a scheduled time. So it will be helpful in your office hour. Let's say your office time from 9 to 6 or 9 to 5. Then you want to send an email. You type the email in 9 a.m. and you wanted to send the email in 4 or 5 p.m. Then you can use this option in Outlook desktop. Because that office time your Outlook might be open, and then it will easily be sent from here. But if you want to use the schedule mail option, then my opinion is to use the web version, because in web version, if you schedule it from the web, then if you just log out from the web or shut down your PC, it doesn't have any impact, because it will send the email on that intended time. But if you cancel the email or Outlook from the Outlook desktop, then you see it will have exit and send later. So once you exit, it will never send unless you open your laptop 10 p.m. Before 10 p.m. and then it will send from the desktop version. So if you want to use this option, my suggestion is that to use it from the web. So that's it for today. Thank you.